Hello and welcome. Have a look and see what I have here. Eligibility criteria. You might have come across this, or maybe you are dealing with this at the moment. You follow Facebook's content monetization policies. Okay, you can contact them and let's see if that will help you. But in this video, I will show you how to contact them and some other things you should do to see if this is going to be resolved. Okay, just sit back and follow me step by step. So the first thing you should do is to go click on your profile picture and then go navigate to help and support. Okay, click on help and support, then go for support inbox. Right here you will see your alert. Go for that. You will see all the videos that violated their policies. Okay, so here you will have to delete all the videos, but before you delete all of them, leave the recent one. We're gonna make use of that for this video. You will have to use the most recent video or the most recent violation to contact them. Okay, so that is what we're gonna do now. Click on any of the videos. Go ahead and click on this one. Then I will click on it once again. Right here, we're gonna need this URL here. Don't go for this three dot. Okay, don't copy the link from here. This one up here is what we're gonna be using. So go and right click and copy it. Okay, then go to this link. Please check the description section. You will see the link there. Go through this link and go for the PMP appeals. That is partner monetization policies appeals. Okay, I will click on that. When you are here, go for the content. Click on that content. Then go for the video URL that violated or that might have violated that. So in this case, we have already copied the URL of one of the videos. That is what I'm going to post here. So here, let's go get my page URL. Okay, I will go back, click on my profile. So when you click on your profile, you will see your link here. I will go ahead and copy that. Let's go back to this. I will right click and paste. After that, I will go for send. Thanks for contacting Facebook. So I will go for OK. If it is a violation that is affecting the entire page, okay, here is what to do. When you click on that PMP appeals, then you will have to go for the partner. But look at the message here. We have changed the way that you can submit page level appeals. So click on that. That will take you straight to this. So here, go for policy issues. Click on that, and then you will be able to request another review depending on what you can see. Mine, in my own case, I have no violation. Okay. Thanks for watching and God bless you.